All right, so here's a question. The next question. Assuming, maybe underline so at least as well already. Assuming you want to buy home furniture costing 27,500 and the supplier has given you two payment plan options. Option 1 requires you pay the entire amount now, and option 2 entering into an installment plan where you pay 12,000 down payment today, then you make payments of 9,500 kwacha in each of the next 2 years. Assume that the interest rate that you can earn on safe investments is 20.8%. Which option is cheap? So basically, the way we're going to compare these options is on the present value basis. All right. For option 1, you have to just pay this 27,500 upfront. So basically, that's the present value. Now, for option 2, it requires you to pay 12,000 kwacha down payment, then you pay 9,500 in year 1, then you pay another 9,500 in year 2. So those 9,500 that you're going to pay in year 1 and year 2, all right? You're going to convert them into their values today, their present values today. Okay? And the discount rate, remember, whenever I say discount rate, when we talk about discounting, it's just converting money in the future into today's value. So the discount rate that we're going to use is this 20.8%. We're going to convert these 9,500 which we pay in year 1 and year 2 into today's value. Then that way we're going to see which option is cheap based on the present value basis. So for option 2, option 2, right? So first things first, let's convert these 9,500 into today's value. So we still use the same formula. Present value equals future value 1 plus r power negative t. All right. So for year 1, future value is 9,500. 1 plus, so 20.8 is in decimal form is 0.208 to the power negative 1, because this is the one which we're going to pay in the next year. I want to find out this 9,500 we're paying next year, what is its value today? So 9,500 plus 1.208 to the power negative 1. So let's see, 1.208 to the power negative 1. Zero 0.827. So 0.827 times 9,500, 7,864. So this 9,000 that you're going to pay next year, its value today is 7,864 kwacha. And for the payment for year two, the same 9,500, but this time it's going to be to the power negative 2. So we have 9,500. Same formula. So I just don't want you to rewrite all of this again. So it's the same formula. This time it's going to be 1.208 to the power negative 2. Since we're paying this amount after 2 years. And want to find what is its value today. Excuse me. When sell 1.208 to the power negative 2 to get 0.685. 0.685 multiplied by 9,500. It is 6,500 and 6,510. So this 9,000, which we're going to pay in year two, its value today is 6,510 kwacha. So we're going to total up these values so that we get the total present value of option 2. Okay. If option 2 was paid today, how much is it worth? So remember, option 2 said you pay 12,000. That's the present value for year 0. That's when you paid. Then plus, so 12,000 plus 7,864 plus 6,510. So we get the total. So say 12,000 plus 7,864 plus 6,510. We get a total of see underline, where is underline? So we get a total of 26,374. 26,374. And we compare this with option 1 where you have to pay 27,500 now. Option 1 where you have to pay 27,500. So in this case here, option 2 looks cheaper. So it will be advisable to go with option 2. Any questions?